Hi, I'm Pavanesh from Third BCom Finance. I'm going to speak about the topic banking sectors. Banking sector. The banking sector is an industry and a section of an economy devoted to holding the financial asset for other and investing those financial assets as the leverage way to create more wealth is known as banking sector. The market structure under the banking sector is the first one we have is Reserve Bank of India (RBI). It is has two types such as scheduled bank and non-scheduled bank. Under scheduled bank we have commercial bank and cooperative bank. Under commercial bank we have four sectors such as public sector, private sector, foreign sector and regional sector. Under public sector, we have SBI, that means State Bank of India and its associates bank, and Nationalized Bank and other public sector banks. Under cooperative bank, we have State Cooperative Bank, District Cooperative Bank, and other corporate banks. Areas of banking have the following five places are retail banking, corporate and commercial banking, global banking, private banking, and investment banking. Banking also constitute the huge amount of risk. The risks in banking are financial risk and non-financial risk. Financial risk involves two types such as credit risk and market risk. Under credit risk we have counterparts of borrower risk, intrinsic of industrial risk, and portfolio of concentration risk. In marketing risk, we have interest rate risk, liquidity risk, currency forex risk, and hedging risk. In non-financial risk, we have operational risk, strategic risk, funding risk, political risk, and illegal risk. These are the list of public sector banks in India. Banks of India, Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, Central Bank of India, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, UCO Bank, Punjab and Sind Bank, Axis Bank, Allahabad Bank, HDFC Bank, and IDBI Bank and Andhra Bank. These are only some of the public sector banks in India. And the following list shows the private sector banks such as ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Yes Bank, IndusInd Bank, Federal Bank, South Indian Bank, Karur Vysya Bank, RBL Bank, and IDFC First Bank, and Karnataka Bank and Bandhan Bank. These are the some of the following private banks. Thank you.